What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Blue Notes Brandon, and today is a very, very amazing day, but it's also very, I guess, heartfelt because today we've actually closed on our fix and flip project and we're picking up the actual check. Now, with that being said, I have to drop off the garage openers and pick up my lockbox from the property and obviously part ways. Now, this one kind of hit me a little hard. I poured my heart, soul, my vision, my creativity into the project, and even though it cost me more than I wanted to, and it was a pretty dime, this property came out fantastic. Came out great. I'll leave the link down below in the description so you can take a look at it. But I'm also really happy that, you know, somebody that really loves the property, they're gonna have a great family in there taking care of it, and somebody is gonna be able to call this place home. So just wanted to take you on a journey with me to go ahead and pick up the actual check at the title company. As well, I'm currently with my lady. She's gonna be looking for her new car today. Really excited because we don't know yet what she's gonna get. We don't know if it's Mercedes or Tesla or whatnot. Comment down below what you think you like the most. But anyways, take you on a day with me with the real estate entrepreneur that's been retired and that has quit college now about 6.5 years. So stay tuned for the video. See you guys soon. Let's get it. All right, guys, check this out. I have one of my callers calling me.
5 minutes of your time.
Yeah, sure, no problem, Emily. What's up?
Great, thank you for your time, Brandon. You may not know me, but I'm a local real estate investor in the area. I'm calling about your property located. I was wondering if you'd consider selling the property.
I mean, maybe. What's your offer?
Great question, Brandon. I actually work with a small team of independent investors here locally. We focus on helping property owners like yourself by making cash offers and providing solutions that don't involve the traditional real estate process. If you're open to it, I'd love to ask you a few quick questions about the property to get a better idea of how we can assist you. Would that be okay?
I mean, I don't have too much time, but yeah, what are the questions?
Thank you for your willingness to share some details, Brandon. I'll keep it brief. First, could you tell me a bit about the condition of the property? Does it need any renovations or updates, or is it move-in ready?
It's move-in ready, of course. I mean, anybody can go live in it. I've done a little bit of work to it, not too much.
Thank you for the information, Brandon. That helps a lot. Just a few more quick questions. 1, what kind of work did you do on the property? Any specific renovations or updates? 2, how's the roof? Any leaks or issues with it? 3, how about the kitchen? Does it have modern features like granite countertops or stainless steel appliances? 4, any issues with the AC, plumbing, or foundation? This will help me get a better idea of the property's condition. All right, guys. So as you can see, we're currently tweaking it. There's a couple of things that we have to do. So number 1, it kind of spoke too quick right when I went ahead and answered the phone. I wanted to give a little bit more of a latency and delay so that the person can actually, say hello, and then that person, the AI can talk. And just let you know that was AI. So the next thing is going to be very, very simple. You never want to ask multiple questions back to back because then people forget what you asked in the beginning. You want to go ahead and take it one question at a time. So, she kind of said, hey, is your property moving ready and this or that? You don't want to do it. You want to be straightforward questions unless you're doing like a multiple choice where you're trying to get them to do something that you want to do. All right. So anyways, I'm going to call my developer back and I'm going to let them know like, hey, listen, this is some of the critiques that I want you to change. Let's retry it again. And this is just the process of dialing in, being an entrepreneur, creating something great that other people can use and make money from. So stay tuned. This video is going to be based on AI and my journey on using AI to basically completely automate my business. All right, guys. So we're actually pulling up to the property right now. Now, I don't know if you guys remember, there was actually a property on the corner that I was trying to make a bid on. It was listed on the MLS and it was in really bad shape. They were asking a lot of money. Now, a lot of the times, realtors won't allow investors to go ahead and make offers for at least 30 days that the property's been on the market. But I think somebody bought it because they've been doing a lot of cleaning inside of it. Yep, as you guys can see, the garage right here, it's this house in the corner. The garage is actually open. So I believe somebody purchased it. Really curious to see, what they do to it. But that property definitely sold out on it. I wish I would have got to it before I was able to go ahead and get started on my other project. So don't know what the new buyer has in store. You can see here they have some truck. Oh my God, he's like landfilling it or something. So anyways, let's go ahead and give him these actual new garage openers that we have. Congratulate him. So really dope. I'm actually really curious to see exactly what he did to it or what he's doing. So far he started irrigation. He bought his own irrigation. He did remove the shed that was there. I think he's gonna be actually fixing the fence. So not sure what he's doing right now. Here's the garage openers. Peace and love to 511. There's my lockbox
Thanks, guys. All right, guys, so what he's actually doing is paver. So he's gonna be paving this whole thing. Not only that, I don't think he's here because I did ring the doorbell. The crazier part about this is that he actually already put a wall. So I don't know if you noticed, but he actually enclosed this, which is pretty dope. I always wanted to do that myself. Obviously, I didn't get to do it. It looks like it's pretty good. He put down new sod as well. So you can see he enclosed this already. Like I said, he did irrigation. Now he's doing pavers. Man, shout out to him. All right, y'all, so we're here showing up to the title company. Now, guys, it's never a dull moment every time I set foot in this building. I've been coming to Southeast Title for about 5 years, 6 years, and I only do it with my guy, Ryan. Guys, the feeling of picking up a 5-figure check, you know, half 100,000. I wanted to bring you on just so that you can meet Ryan, you can meet the title company, and also see how simple it is. I mean, they sign, we sign, boom, said and done, right? Let's go ahead and check it out. How you doing, Miss Gina? Is that my check? All right. So, and how was the buyer?
They were fine.
They were cool?
Really
Okay.
super nice.
That's cool. All right, well, that's good. At least it went through fine, and
Yeah. The realtor didn't come to closing, but
he was not happy with his realtor.
he wasn't. He didn't.
Did he express it to you?
He did. So, but I mean, his realtor called me a lot. I don't,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah, the process was a little, it was a lot, but they were also doing things that they shouldn't have been doing. The house has like, basically the master bedroom has a sliding door,
Okay.
and there's like an opening to where, let me
So over
see.
here.
Yeah, so there's like an opening, it's on the front of the house kind of.
Yeah.
So here, I'll show you. This is the front of the house. You see that part
okay.
right there?
Yeah.
That was actually an opening that most houses have. I guess you can just walk through.
Yeah. Okay.
As you can see, this is 222. This is already done.
Yeah.
I don't even know when they did it.
Right.
So like he was doing things that I didn't even know to the house before he even closed.
Wow.
So it was a lot of things like that, and then they found some things after inspection that the fridge that wasn't working.
Yeah.
They were trying to, you know, so it was just a lot of things, but he said it wasn't him, it was
His realtor.
yeah, but you know, it's always the blame game.
Well, yeah, but the realtor wasn't here, but the
No.
loan officer was.
Oh yeah,
He was real
Alex.
nice.
Yeah, he's
he
real
was
nice.
really
Yeah,
good.
he's good. Very informative guy. So anyways, guys, another one in the bag, $52,000 on this one. 2025. February has been a month. 2024 was a year, and 2025 is gonna be an even better year. So really happy to have HUDs, big checks like this on to the next project. So now with that being said, we went ahead, got some business done, made some money today. I want to say that my girl's gonna go with a Mercedes. Obviously, since I own a Tesla, we've been using Tesla for a while. Even though she likes it, I think she wants a Mercedes. So it's our time to go to the dealership. We're gonna meet our guy Edison. Love working with him, and we're gonna see what she picks out. She deserves it. She's been working really hard. Just really happy for her to go ahead and get something that she really wants, something that I want. Man, check out that bad boy, right? Cybertruck. What are your thoughts on the Cybertruck, y'all? So anyways, let's go. All right, guys, so we just made it to Mercedes-Benz of Orlando. All right, but anyways, I'm gonna try to do a mobile deposit on this check. I know 52,000 is a big price, but I think they'll let me do mobile deposit. So let's just see what happens and if they allow us to do it.
What color is that?
Right. It looks just like the one he was driving. This is the one that is white with tan interior. It's a GLE 22 350 with 15,000 miles, certified pre-owned. So I had that option. See, it says pending deal right here. There's this one. It's a 23,
Okay.
and it has the AMG package. 32,000 miles, and the price is only 46.
Where's that one at?
At my North store. This is like the nicest other option. Can't go wrong with that.
All right, guys, so after a couple hours of trying to find the car that we were looking for, unfortunately, they didn't actually have it at Benz that we was at. So we had to come to another Mercedes-Benz, and we ended up finding out that there is a car that we liked. Right now, we're not gonna reveal it to you just yet because we wanna make sure that obviously we get the right deal, the right package. Dope thing about it is these processes take like 5 hours. So we'll probably be here for a little bit, but I want to go ahead and show you a little bit of the cars that are here, give you a little stroll around what they currently have and inspiration on, some other cars, some cars that I would like to have, and show you right now what's going on inside of Mercedes and all the cool things they got going on. So take a peek while we wait. All right, guys, so we're actually back at Mercedes-Benz Orlando. Why? Because we're actually here to pick up the car. That day, we couldn't leave with the car just because it needed some small minor things to get done and it wasn't cleaned all the way. But anyways, we're here to actually pick up the car. Really happy to announce what type of car it is. We're really excited for Sas and this journey. She deserves it a lot. So just picked her up.
Excited. That's all I can say. I'm so excited.
Just picked her up from work. Obviously, she's in her scrubs. She got the tag. We're ready to go. And the crazy thing, guys, is that they're about to close. So it's about like 8 p.m. I believe they close at 8:30. And obviously, they're going to stay here a little bit longer for us. All right, so let's see what we got here. Let's get it. All right, man, listen, if you guys are over here at Mercedes-Benz Orlando, make sure you check out my guy, Ariel. He's the one that helped us out. Now, he said he got a gift for us. Let's see. I don't know why. I feel like it's a bag of money. Yo, so really quickly, Ariel, what would you say is the most expensive car you sold here?
Probably a G-Wagon, G550,
How much?
2025.
How much? 2025? We just got in 2025.
It was like 185.
185. What's your biggest takeaway from, I guess, being in sales, right? If somebody wanted to do sales and do what you do, what would you say is the biggest takeaway?
It's making people happy. That's the best part of the job.
Okay.
I mean, the money comes with it. I mean, once you take care of people, the relationships you establish, just the reactions and emotions you see from somebody getting a new car, it makes it all worth it.
Exactly. That's dope. So make sure y'all come check out my boy over here. Oh, snap. Let's see what he got. Oh, you're VIP. Wow. Yo, appreciate it, bro. Oh, a little coffee mug. Oh, your boy got the champagne VIP bottle as well.
Isn't that champagne,
Top it off.
But it got some bubbly in there. Now my boy Ariel did good. What's that leather pouch in there? That's like, oh,
It's secure here too.
nice. Oh, those are seat covers? It's like for the cargo. I think it's for the cargo.
Umbrella. There's a bag in there. Nice big old bag.
So, how does it feel to be VIP in Mercedes, right? You get free shuttle, free coffee, free lunch, or something like that.
Yeah. Feels good. Feels worth it. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Baby's here. Thank you so much.
Oh, we got the bow on there as well.
Oh my gosh. She's so pretty. Look at her in all black. Look at this little girl. If I can hug her. It did. Thank you so much. I appreciate this.
Yes, sir.
It's beautiful.